In a sunny park, a soccer star lines up a perfect shot, but slips on a rogue bottle, sliding into the goalie. On a field, a quarterback pretends to spike, yet whips the ball into the stands where a delighted kid catches it. A kid rocks a family talent show as a squeaky mic goes haywire, and a sock puppet crashes the stage in triumph. At a party, a cake topple triggers confetti cannons, lights flash, and guests slide into an impromptu conga. The finale shows a slapstick hero tripping over oversized shoes, tumbling into cushions as the crowd roars.